pasta. It's known by many names, but we know it affectionately as dried bread. And with this cheese, we are also going to use butter. And if you haven't guessed yet, yes, we are making the famous Alfredo. But not just any Alfredo. Oh no, shrimp Alfredo. First, we need to get our water to a boil. And we are gonna salt the living hell out of it. Be very generous. We don't want anything to survive. And then add your pasta of choice. And make sure you give it a nice stir. And since this is dry pasta, it's gonna cook till al dente, which is gonna be about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you get your butter prepared and grate your cheese. For 1 pound of pasta, you're gonna need half a pound of butter and half a pound of cheese, which is, one might say, artery clogging. Make sure you stir it every so often, otherwise the demons might come out of it and get you. And we don't want that, do we? All right, let's turn it off the heat and move it to our butter. What we want to do is move the pasta onto the butter, and we will reserve some of this delicious pasta water. Now, this wouldn't be shrimp Alfredo if we didn't cook the shrimp, so let's do it. All right, we want to cook this on the highest heat known to mankind, which is called hell heat. The shrimp will be done in a couple minutes. We are going to do some salt and some pepper. And you see how they're turning pink? That's how you know the pain that you are inflicting upon them is working. You don't want to overcook these, because if you overcook these, they will literally be rubber, and rubber is no good. Once they are no longer clear or opaque and they are nice and pink, they are done. All right, shrimp going in. Beautiful. Just like mother intended. That is, if your mother taught you how to make shrimp Alfredo. And then we are going to stir this with the butter and some of the pasta water. Now we're gonna add some of the cheese, about half. Let's add the rest. And for my finishing touch, I'm gonna add just a bit more pepper. Because personally, I love pepper. Beautiful. Now let's plate it. And now you can pat yourself on the back for a beautiful shrimp Alfredo. Now let's plate one for the mom who won't stop nagging you about doing the dishes and making better food, and you're not good enough, and just go to school.